To upload a reel on Instagram, follow these steps. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on the camera icon in the top left corner of your screen or swipe right from your feed to open the camera. At the bottom of the screen, select the Reels option. On the left side of the screen, you will see different editing tools, including audio, effects, and text. You can choose to add any of these to your reel. Press and hold the record button to start recording your reel. You can record multiple clips up to 60 seconds in total. Once you are done recording, you can use the editing tools to trim or edit your reel. After editing, tap on the right arrow icon to proceed to the share screen. Here you can add a caption, hashtags, and location to your reel. Finally, tap on the share button to publish your reel on your Instagram profile or story.